Hello everyone. Here we will discuss what does the parliament do? What does the parliament do? What is the function of a legislature? Do both houses of parliament have similar functions? Is there a difference in the powers of two houses? Apart from lawmaking, the parliament is engaged in many other functions. Let us list the functions of the parliament. First, legislative function. The parliament enacts legislations for the country. Despite being the chief lawmaking body, the parliament often merely approves legislations. The actual task of drafting the bill is performing by bureaucracy. We have read bureaucracy, na? The bill is drafting The bill is performed by bureaucracy under the supervision of the minister concerned. The substance and even the timing of the bill are decided by the cabinet. Timing of the bill decided by cabinet. No major bill is introduced in the parliament without the approval of cabinet. No major bill. The members other than ministers can also introduce bills, but these have no chance of being passed without the support of the government. Members can also introduce, but no chance of being passed without support of government. Then control of executive and ensuring its accountability. Perhaps the most vital function of the parliament is to ensure that the executive does not overstep its authority and remains responsible to the people who have elected them. We shall discuss this function in later chapter. Then financial function. Government is about spending a lot of money on various matters. Where does this money come from? Every government has raised resources through taxation. However, in a democracy, legislature controls taxation in the way in which money is used by the government. If the government of India proposes to introduce any new tax, it has to get the approval of the Lok Sabha in if any new tax. The financial powers of the parliament involve a grant of resources to the government to implement its programs. The government has to give an account to the legislature about the money it has spent and resources that it wishes to raise. The legislature also ensures that the government does not misspend or overspend. This is done through the budget and annual financial statements. Have a look. The parliament is the boss. In the minister are looking very humble here. That is the effect of the parliament is means power to sanction money to different ministries. Next, a representation. Parliament represents the divergent views of members from different regional social, economic, religious groups of different parts of the country. Debating function. The parliament is the highest form of debate in the country. There is no limitation on its power of discussion. Members are free to speak on any matter without fear. This makes possible for the parliament to analyze any or every issue that faces the nation. These discussions constitute the heart of democratic decision making. Heart of democratic decision making. Then constituent function. The parliament has the power of discussing and enacting changes to the constitution. The constituent powers of both the houses are similar. All constitutional amendments have to be approved by a special majority of both houses. Then electoral functions. The parliament also performs some electoral functions. It elects the president and vice president of India. Then judicial functions. The judicial functions of the parliament include considering the proposal of removal of president. Judicial functions. Okay, removal of president, vice president, and judges of high courts and the Supreme Court. Thank you.